Thank you for purchasing the Rimage Maestro system. Please watch this video in its entirety before beginning setup. Before you begin, you'll need a network cable for network functionality, a monitor, USB mouse, and USB keyboard for local system control, scissors or side cutters, and a Phillips screwdriver. The Maestro is heavy and requires 2 people to unbox it. Remember to save all packing materials to allow for safe transportation in the future. Verify the contents of the accessory kit. Use 2 people to lift the Maestro out of the box and set it on a sturdy surface. Locate the printer pedestal. The feet of the printer pedestal will align with the holes in the pedestal bracket, so it can be slotted into place. Unpack the printer. Follow the instructions on the back to set the AC voltage switch and move the shipping screw to the storage position. Open the Everest Encore printer by pressing the side cover latches and lowering the side cover. Open latches 1, 2, and 3, and remove the plastic packing pieces. Place the printer on the pedestal. Grasp the handle of the print ribbon carrier and pull to remove it from the printer. Unlatch and grasp the handle of the retransfer ribbon carrier to remove it as well. On a clean, flat surface, wrap the print ribbon around the guide rollers. Snap the supply roll and take-up roll into the print ribbon carrier. Tighten the print ribbon by turning the take-up roll clockwise. Insert the print ribbon carrier into the printer. Slide the retransfer ribbon under the retransfer ribbon carrier. Snap the supply roll and take-up roll into the carrier and tighten by turning the take-up roller counterclockwise. Slide the retransfer ribbon carrier back into the printer. Close latches 1, 2, and 3, as indicated by the arrows, and close the printer side cover. Connect the following cables to the printer: power cable, USB cable, and serial cable. Make sure the main power switch on the back of the Maestro is in the off position. Connect the power cord and plug it into an outlet. Power on the Maestro. The system will initialize. The magazines will unlock so they can be removed and loaded. Remove the data module magazine by pulling straight up. Press the latch release button on the bottom of the magazine and slide the magazine cover open. Insert data modules with the clips upward and the capacity label facing the latch release. Slide the magazine cover closed until latched. Insert the magazine back into the Maestro. Repeat for each of the data module magazines. Remove the case magazine from the Maestro. Press the latch release and slide it open. Insert cases with the data module opening facing upwards. Close the magazine and reinsert it into the system. Repeat for each of the magazines. Use Rimage Automation Suite to run a test job to verify that the system is operating correctly. For warranty and software licensing information, as well as terms and conditions, refer to the Rimage legal documents. For additional assistance, contact your local Rimage support team.